So how you can make $500 per day or per week affiliate commissions using only direct linking, basically promoting your affiliate link on Clickbank and getting traffic straight to your affiliate link. If you're new and watching this video and wondering, is there a way that you can make money, get faster commissions without having to build a website, without having to run any ads, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you the way that you can use if you're someone who's watching this video right now and thinking to yourself, hey, I want to make quicker $500 to $1,000, right? Commissions, or even more, with buyers traffic or doing direct linking. As you know, you cannot only use links, affiliate links from Clickbank on Google or Facebook, right? Running ads, but you can do this with a special method, what we call solo ads, or basically buyers traffic. Now this is a little bit different than solo ads. Why? Because this is really, we call it VIP targeted traffic. So how it works, let me show you. This is one of the products on Clickbank, right? So what you can do usually is, and I share this with everyone who is buying these packages, right? And after, you can reach me out on social media or email, right? The links are below this video. So how you can do it? If you're a first timer, you can do by putting out your name, your email, and your Clickbank ID. So you can generate your affiliate link. After you generate affiliate link, what you can do is send us your affiliate ID link. So we can know, right, that you are the owner, the person who is promoting this affiliate offer, right? After that, what you can do is email me what offer you want to promote. And we are also going to have different offers that are converting and are proven to work really, really well on Clickbank. So what we do then, how to get traffic, right? Once you have the link, what to do next, let me show you here. I have a small sample for you to show you how it works. So how to get your high quality traffic. The new way, which we call it the amplification method, is this. It's a 3-step process. The first is, of course, buyers ultra clicks. So what are clicks? Those are basically visitors, audiences of people from different email lists who will come to your affiliate link after we send you the traffic and click on your email. Not only the email that is done for you. So basically what you're getting from me is done for you email that will get hand raisers and sales. So basically especially designed email that gets people to respond. This is the main thing, get people to respond, especially cold traffic or warm up traffic. It doesn't matter. We always need these eyeballs. We need audiences who are responsive, who have credit card, who have debit card, and are already buying these kind of products online, right? Especially from Clickbank. So how it works, the first thing is you getting buyers ultra clicks, right? And then you send this traffic to your affiliate link. And the last step, of course, is the money, affiliate commissions that you are going to get when we together set up this traffic for you. So always the hardest part is finding the niche, right? The profitable niche that has a problem, passion, or let's say, or a pain big enough to pull out their wallets and buy something, right? This is the hardest part. And this is what we do for you, right? We are really serving you by giving you actually the proven offers that are converting really well, but not only converting really well on the front end, but also on the back end. So with different upsells, right, you can also make higher recurring commissions every single month from promoting only one affiliate offer with our buyers traffic. So how about if I do the hardest part for you? Let's say that I choose a high quality offer for you. I show you that it's proven. I give you the done for you email copy that also works really well. And also you get buyers clicks sent to your affiliate link, and at the end you collect those affiliate commissions. So if you have some money, but mostly a little bit of time, right? No time to set up the website, then this might be the best opportunity for you right now as you're watching this video. Why? Because as you know, if you have a quality offer and a quality traffic, remember, it's not about quantity, it's about the quality. You can buy cheap solo ads somewhere else, of course, but the most important thing you have to keep in mind right now is this. Remember, it's not about the cheap clicks, it's about also the highest converting audiences, right? The people that are going to convert, right? Sometimes you will pay the cheapest money for something, but you won't get the great results because those audiences are not converting, right? That's the reason they are very cheap. So if you really want to convert really well, have results, and also test your offer, then do let me know. So what to do after watching this video? Please email me your name. You can also send me a WhatsApp message, Instagram or Facebook message. Reach out to me and tell me, yes, I want to get my high quality traffic. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you exact email copy. I'm going to give you also the great proven affiliate link, basically offer which you can promote from Clickbank that is doing really well. And also, of course, send you the affiliate traffic. So you can choose out of 3 packages. And if you're really interested to know what are those packages and what is the investment for those buyers, clicks and traffic, then please reach out to me after watching this video. The links are in the description below, and see you on the other side. Again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel now for more helpful tips.